Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to disable chat and screen sharing in Google Meet. You'll be joining the meeting as the host, and you'll see the meeting controls appear at the bottom of the screen. Look at the bottom right corner, you'll see a button labeled Host Controls. Click on it. A side panel will open on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the settings for managing what participants can do during the meeting. In the Host Controls panel, look for a toggle labeled Send Chat Messages. Click the toggle to turn it off. The toggle will change from blue to white or gray. That's how you know it's disabled. Participants won't be able to send new chat messages anymore, but they can still read any messages that were sent before you disabled it. Right below that, you'll see another toggle labeled Share Their Screen. Click this toggle to turn it off. When it's disabled, participants can no longer share their screens. You can close the Host Controls panel by clicking outside it, and your settings are automatically saved. Here are a few things worth knowing. As the meeting host, you can still send chat messages and share your screen even with these settings turned off. They only affect what participants can do. You can toggle these controls back on at any point during the meeting if you change your mind. If you're running a recurring meeting with the same meeting code, these settings will stick for the next scheduled meeting. But if it's a one-time or instant meeting, the settings will reset back to on after the meeting ends.